Hey guys, just want to make a quick video on new project I have going. I'm working on a new site called griddleforums.com. Boom, there it is. Uh, so basically it's just a forum with a bunch of people who like griddling, like talking about griddling, like sharing pictures and videos. You can even buy, sell, trade different things. If you have an old griddle you're selling, or wind guards, or anything, you know, you could. There's a troubleshooting section if you're getting a low flame, or you know you don't have a good seasoning, or how do you season. It's just somewhere you can go, ask tons of questions, help other people, and all makes and models. Welcome. So whether you got a Blackstone, Char-Griller, Camp Chef, and I think it's going to be great. So it just started out. Right now I'm on there, and Dad Life is on there. We're waiting for you. So links in the description, or just type in griddleforums.com and you'll go there. So free registration, nothing costs anything. Go on there and have a good time. So hope to see you soon.